Hello everyone. Let's start our lesson. The theme of the lesson is reading and discussing the texts. Grade 7, Unit 8, Healthy Habits, Lesson number 7. Learning objectives are: understand specific information and detail in texts on a range of familiar, general, and curricular topics. Deduce meaning from context in short texts on a growing range of familiar, general, and curricular topics. Assessment criteria: raise awareness about cultural diversity through reading and discussion. Recognize factual details in a given argument related to the topic. Now look at the photos. Why do you think boys and girls want to go to these schools? What is your opinion? And now we are going to read about the Football Academy La Masia and the Royal Ballet School. Find 3 ways in which the schools are similar. La Masia is Barcelona's football academy. Some of the greatest footballers in the world have come from La Masia. The World Cup and the European Championships were full of players from this academy. There are about 80 boys between the ages of 11 and 18 at the academy. They go to school until 2:30 in the afternoon, then they have lunch and a siesta. Most boys have to use this time to study and do their homework. In the evening, they watch TV or play video games before they go to bed. For these boys, football is their life. They train hard because they want to be the best. And here's the second text, the Royal Ballet School, London. The Royal Ballet School in the heart of London trains dancers and choreographers. The school has 2 buildings, one near Richmond Park and for 11 to 16-year-olds and the other in Covent Garden for older students. Students at the school mix normal school subjects with their dance classes. Many famous ballet dancers have come from this school. To get into the school, students have to audition. They have to perform in front of judges from the school. Over 2,000 children attended auditions for the school in 2012. About 70 boys and girls get a place each year. There are students from all over the world. In the evening, when students aren't in class or practicing ballet, they can play tennis or play table football in the student halls. And now please think about 3 similarities of these 2 schools and write down on your copybook. Here given 3 similarities. Please read and compare with your answers. Read the article again. Which school do the sentences describe? Write LM, RB, OB. Write your answers on your copybooks, then send your teachers. Read and answer the questions. Write your answers on your copybook, then send your teacher. Dear children, your home task is to make true or false sentences according to the text. The lesson is over. Thank you for your attention.